Hey guys, so I'm in the process of installing a wood burning fireplace in my home, and I picked up these two gadgets that I wanted to do a review on. I got these two fans off of Amazon. These are Thermoelectric stove fans. They're powered off of the heat that's produced by a wood burning stove or a pellet stove or a gas fireplace to help circulate the air around the room. I thought it was really cool solely because they're powered by the heat that's already being produced by the fireplace. You know, there are no electrical cords, no batteries involved with running them. So I just thought that was really cool. So I want to compare these two in as many aspects as possible as I can. I have here, this is the Galafire stove fan, and then on this side we have a Youlanda brand name stove fan. So I wanted to compare these two. For the most part, the specifics and the functions on both of them are the same. They both weigh about the same at 8 kilograms. They both run pretty silent, or they're said to run virtually silent. They both start spinning at about 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and they have a maximum operating temperature of about 645 degrees Fahrenheit. Both fans come with their own thermometer, so that's nice. You see the thermometer on the left and right for each one, and those are supposed to go on the flute or stack of the chimney. Now, taking a closer look at the fans themselves, you can see some slight differences in both the fan blade design and the fins that are in the back of the fan. Now, from what I've read, the fins are meant for displacing some of the air that's moving through it, or balancing the air that moves through the blades. I don't know that I'd be able to tell any difference, or if any difference at all would even be measurable, or how that would be measured, but that's one of the differences. I noticed another difference, and this is something that I like, is on this Galafire fan, it has this nice little lifting handle, whereas the Youlanda, you would just have to pick it up from the top. And this whole fan, the whole device does get hot, so that nice little handle comes in handy. They're both made of aluminum. Another difference of the two is the Galafire comes with the instructions and a booklet with specifics and some information. Not that you need that, but it did come with it. Other than that, I really can't tell any differences in the fans themselves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a second to put these onto my oil burner, and we'll give a live test to see how they run, which one starts first. We'll also compare the thermometers and see which is better. Alright, so stay tuned, we'll be right back. Okay, so I want to do a quick variable test for you guys to show. I got an infrared thermometer right here. We're going to shoot it at the stack just to get an idea where we'll place the fans to show that it'll be an even temperature throughout. So on this side, the fan is going to go somewhere, around this area. I'll just lay it down there. So we see that we have the highest max temperature that's recorded on this side. It's about 158 degrees, 158.5. And then on this side, we'll put the other fan, and you can see it's pretty much the same, very close to it. We have 157 is the recorded max on that side. So 157 on this side. We'll do this one again. Get it all around there. So we got 162 and 162, 155, 162. So about the same. We have our thermometers right here. Show where they're at right now, and we'll put them on. Alright, we got the thermometers on. Let's let them get warmed up, and we'll come back to check where they're at. Alright, so it did not take long for the thermometers to catch up the temperature. They're both showing just under 200 degrees right now. You can see that. Just that under 200. And 200. And I think there's a slight difference in the scaling on them. This one has 100, 200, 300 scale. So just because this needle is closer to the 200 does not necessarily mean that they're reading different temperatures. Alright, so I'm going to put the phone down and I'm going to take each fan. I'm going to have to use both my hands. I'm going to put them down on the stove at the same time to get the most accurate results. So give me a second. Alright, so I just put them both on. Both fans are placed on top. The spots that we discussed, nothing's touching on the sides. It's all clear around, so let's see which one of these starts spinning first. Again, both of them have a starting temperature of about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And the thermometers are reading just under 200. You saw the infrared was lasering at about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. So these should have no problem starting. I'm going to cut the video just for a sec to allow them, whichever one, to start moving first, and then we'll pick back up just so we're not waiting here. Not sure how long it'll take. Shouldn't be long. So the Galafire starting to spin. The Youlanda, no movement yet. Picking up speed. Still no movement. Alright, this is interesting. I'm gonna stop the video, give it a few minutes, see if the Youlanda starts to work, and then maybe we'll switch the spots of both fans and see if we get different results. Alright, so we gave it about another 5 minutes and the Galafire is still holding strong, but this little dud has not moved. So like I said, what we're going to do is I'm going to take both fans off. I'm going to let them both cool down. I'm going to switch their positions. We'll put the Youlanda on the right and the Galafire on the left and see if we have any different results. So, be right back. Alright, so now we have the Galafire on this side and the Youlanda on this side. As you can see, we got both fans cooled down. I placed them both on there at the same time. We're reading about the same temperature we were before on these, maybe a little bit higher now. And let's see what happens. Place them both about the same distance away. Move this one a little closer. There we go. And we wait. Oh, that didn't take long. The Galafire starting to spin first again. Okay, so we gave it a few minutes and we're still rolling strong on this one here. I'm not rolling at all on this one here. So I guess this one's dead. I don't know what's wrong with that, but I definitely like the Galafire a lot more. I like the fact that it comes with this handle on top. I like the fact that the thermometer comes with seems like it's a little bit more accurate, but who knows for sure. Oh look, I think that little push that I gave got it to work, but I don't want to have to jump start my fan every time to get it running. So these are pushing some air. It's definitely pushing some air. If you aim this towards a bedroom and the stove or fireplace is in the living room, it may not blow the air into the bedroom. It's not that strong. It's not going to blow you away, blow your socks off. But it is slowly circulating some air. I have a piece of plastic here just to give you an idea of how much air it's moving. The plastic is more or less straight down now. I'll put it in front of the fan, and you can see there's movement. It's not a lot, but there is movement. You got to keep in mind these fans are being powered by now by the heat, the little amount of heat that I'm getting off of this oil burner. So their starting temperature is 140. We're probably just at about that range, 140 to 200 degrees. So that little push seemed to do it for this one. But here's a review of these two fans, and I would definitely recommend the Galafire one over the Youlanda one. If you guys have any comments, suggestions, or questions, feel free to post something in the comments below. So there's my video demonstration of these two fans. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to include links to both of these fans for Amazon in the description below. Please give me a like, subscribe if you aren't already, and stay tuned for the next review. Thank you.